This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Nied. Views. Spectacular views of the Chesapeake Bay. This 2-bed plus study, 2-bath condo offers hardwood floors throughout and updated kitchen and baths. Large extended covered balcony overlooks bay and second balcony in front of unit. Open floor plan elevator building, new exterior, 2 parking spaces plus a storage room. Community deck and private beach access only to residents. Perfect for second home or primary residence and feel like you are on vacation year-round. For more information, review the details below.